Hi guys, this is Anthony from designcoursesonline.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how we use the clone stamp tool within Photoshop. I use Photoshop CS6, and over here I have the clone stamp tool, and the objective in this tutorial is to basically remove, let's say, part of the penguin. So I'm going to remove, say, the top half of the penguin's head. But it's got to also still look like it was never there in the first place. So basically what we need to do is we need to copy the background and replace it over the penguin's head. So firstly, like I say, get the clone stamp tool, and then you want to hold Alt, and if you watch the cursor it changes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the left mouse button and I'm going to go across the screen like that, and what that's done is it's picked up the pixels there. So now if I hover over it, as you can see basically the sky, because that's the pixels I selected. So now if I was to run across, hold down the left mouse button now, as you can see the arrow in the top corner. You can see the arrow. That is the part of the picture it's selecting. So now if I wanted to go all the way through like this, I'll push Alt again to select the bit just above, and repeat process. I mean, depending on what project you're doing, this could take a while. As you can see here, I have a very, very nice sky background. Now we have a problem area here. Now this area here, as you can see, the sky don't look right. So if I was to highlight the sky, bring the sky back into play, just repeat process, and again I'm going to select. Now you can go up or down, left or right, it's up to you. There's the error. You see, as I done that, I went over the penguin, so I'm going to push Ctrl Z. So now you need to just play around with this. You need to keep selecting the areas you want, and so forth. You can completely remove something from an image. You can remove people from images, you can duplicate people. Like for example, now we got rid of the head. This is just a demonstration. I'm now going to copy this head here. And how we're going to do that is I'm going to hold Alt and the mouse button, click over it. Now watch this. I'm going to click on the left mouse button, and I can see the penguin's head via the plus sign on the other side. So now I'm going to go round using the plus sign, not looking at what I'm doing but looking at the plus sign. That's where you need to focus on. Now I have duplicated the penguin's head. That's a basic tool on how to use a clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is a very, very powerful tool. It does take many hours of practice if you want to be like fluent and very professional with it. This is a quick tutorial on how to do it. I'm Anthony, designcoursesonline.co.uk. Be sure to visit the website. Thanks for watching.